Hi, welcome to MECHOLOGY. In this video, we are going to create exercise number 60. So first of all, we will create this sketch on front plane, and after we will apply extruded boss with mid plane condition to create this basic shape. And after we will create this shape and apply the mirror features to create this one. And at last, we will create this three hole by using hole wizard. So let's create on SolidWorks. And if you want to download this PDF, then you can find the link in description. You can download from there. So let's go on SolidWorks and create this exercise. Here select new, select part and apply OK. Select right plane, select front plane and go to sketch. Here select center line and draw one vertical center line like that. Select dynamic mirror entity and select this one. Now select line and draw lines like that. Select this line and make horizontal. Select smart dimension and distance between these two lines is 124 and this distance is 165. Select this point and select this point and make horizontal. Select smart dimension and this distance is 68. Now select fillet, apply at these 2 points and it is 17 minus 10. No, it is 22, sorry, it is 22. Apply OK. Now select this point and this point, it is 17 minus 10. Select this point and now select this point and it is 16. Apply OK. Select smart dimension and this distance is 88. Select smart dimension again and this distance is 50. Now select offset entity, select this one. Here select cap ends with lines and it is 10 mm. It is 16. Now go to features and select mid boss. Select mid plane and it is 50. 50, not 60. Now select fillet, select this face, select this face and select this face. Apply OK. Again select fillet, select this face, select this face and select this face. Apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch. Select circle and draw two circles. Outer one is a 38 mm diameter and inner one is a 16 mm diameter. Distance from here is 125 and select this point and select this origin and make vertical. Now select a line and draw one vertical line like that. Select again line and draw line like that. Let this tangency and make it vertical. Select smart dimension. This distance is 6 and this distance is 12. Select line and join these 2 points. Select trim and trim this one. Here select fillet, select this one and select this one and is 10 mm. Apply OK. Go to features and select the boss. Here select blind, reverse the direction and select up to next. Apply OK. Select extrude cut and here select the same sketch. Clear selection. Select this one and up to next. Apply OK. Now select mirror. Select right plane. Select this one and this one. Apply OK. Now select this face and go to sketch. Select circle and draw one circle. Diameter of this circle is 38. And here select features and select not cut but select the boss and it is 6.5. Here select direction 2 and here up to next. Apply OK. Now select tool wizard. Select this one and here select counter board and diameter is 9 mm. Here is a 20 mm and this depth is 6.5. Now go to position and select 3D sketch. Select this point and apply OK. Now again select whole wizard and select this one. Select counter board and it is 9 mm and this diameter is 18 mm and this depth is 7. Go to position and select 3D sketch. Select the position here and one is here. Apply OK. Now select fillet. Select this edge. Select this edge. Select this edge. This one and this one. It is 3 mm. Apply OK. Now go to fillet here and select the body. Select this one and apply OK. Now select this face. Go to appearance. Select this face one and select this one. Select this face, this face, this face, this one, this one, this one and this one. Apply OK. Now our exercise has been completed. Please share, subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.